Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my simple, easy and quick minced meat sauce recipe with you. You can use this sauce with your spaghetti, with your pasta, or even serve over rice. So let's quickly go over the ingredients. We are going to be needing some minced meat, of course, a mix of bell peppers. We need some onions, garlic, my homemade all-purpose marinade, and a mix of spices. And I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box below as usual. I'm going to begin by prepping all my vegetables. So I'm going to roughly chop my onions and set that aside. And I'm going to do the same with my garlic. You can choose to blend your garlic if you want. I'm going to deseed my bell peppers and chop them up as well. I'm going to use half of every color, but I'm still going to chop up everything and use the rest in another recipe. Now that all the chopping up is done, I'm going to set everything ready so we can begin cooking. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in my saucepan, and in goes my onion, which I'm going to fry for about a minute. After about a minute, I add my garlic and continue to fry as well. And in goes my homemade all-purpose marinade, and if you haven't seen that video yet, I'm going to put the link in the description box below so you can check that out. I'm going to add the minced meat and stir to loosen it up so that it blends in well with the onions, the garlic and the marinade. After that, I'm going to cover and let it steam for about 2 to 3 minutes until it looks like this, and I'm going to add all my spices and stir to mix it up. I'm also going to add my salt, give it another quick stir and cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes on low. After 5 minutes, it's a perfect time to add our tomatoes, and I'm going to be using passata. And passata is simply boiled down tomatoes which is sieved, so it contains less moisture and cooks really fast. This is the passata I use in case you are curious. Now if you don't have passata, don't worry, you can just use any tomatoes you have. You just blend them and add it to your minced meat mixture. You just have to adjust your cooking time. I'm now going to cover it and let it simmer on low for about 15 minutes. And when we uncover, our stew is done. I'm going to give it a quick stir, and you can actually serve it as it is right now, but I'm going to add the bell peppers for some freshness, for some crunch, for some color, and of course for more nutrients. And as soon as I add the bell peppers, I give it a quick stir and I immediately turn off my heat because our sauce is done and we don't want the bell peppers to become soggy. I served mine over some spaghetti, but you can serve them over some pasta, rice or even potatoes. Kindly share this video with your friends and family because I know it's going to be useful to them. And I quickly want to remind you that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.